Cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. What's happening? The hostess with the most is right here in the flesh. What is happening? What's going on tonight? Or today? This will be a Saturday video. This is going to be a today video is what's going to happen. This is not a tonight video. But I just wanted to come on here. I wanted to talk just a little bit to you guys. I want to explain a few things. I want to come say hi, all that stuff. First of all, right off the bat here, I want you to know that we're not cooking nothing. My garage is kind of a mess. I got some things going, working on whatever, lawnmower's in. It's cold, super icy out right now. It rained, it's been raining, it's cold, whatever, snow. We had some snow, then the rain came and washed the snow away. Now everything's covered in ice. It's super fantastic, let me tell you. If you don't live in the north, I envy you because this is ridiculous. I don't like snow and ice. So, anyway, if you did not watch the last video, or you haven't watched the last video yet, I suggest you go watch my last video. It's the perfect pork butt video. I went out and I called out my buddy on YouTube and I told him, hey, I haven't seen you cook a pork butt yet. You need to cook a pork butt. I want to see you cook. I want to see how you do it. So I'm calling you out. I want you to cook a pork butt. That's what I did. So that was this past Wednesday night. Okay, pretty simple. Now, I knew what was going to happen ahead of time because I kind of understand what's going on. Chef Smooth, Chef Smooth, I don't want to mess your name up. He works some different hours than everybody else. So he's not able to get a video out right away. So it will be just a few days. It's going to be, I don't know, maybe a week or so, or two, whatever. But I just want to let you guys know, I don't want to say that he's going to turn around and get one right away. I don't want to start any beef or nothing. He's going to make a video. I've already talked to him. It's going to happen. It's going down. He said to me, it's going down. Bring it on. It's happening. So that's what's going on right now. When he gets available from his work schedule, he's going to make a video and he'll post it. Okay? That's all there is to that. So we're expecting it. I'm super excited to see what happens out of this. So we're moving on after that. I wanted to talk a few things. Somebody in one of my, I think it was on Reddit or something, I think it's where somebody maybe made the comment, but sorry, I haven't done anything since I got off work, so my hair's all messed up and I'm tired. Anyway, I had to get a video up. I wanted to get a Saturday video up, and this is what you're getting. I'm sorry. Just a bunch of explanations more than anything. So I wanted to tell you guys, I did a little work in here. I've been trying to see if I can show it to you. I did this. I put up these shelves. I had these shelves here. Actually, this shelf here was outside. This shelf here was holding up a big speaker above the window, and this shelf was in a cabinet, and it's not anymore. So I hung all this up, did all this changing around, moved everything around. I'm trying to make this side more usable for my grill stuff. So that way, I feel like I'm all crammed in this corner back here, which I kind of am, but it is what it is. I'm just trying to make do with what I got. So as you can see, my big lights up here, my tripod, my other grills, everything's all crammed around here right now. So as soon as I get this big old boat out of here, and hopefully somebody buys it soon, we're gonna have a lot more room in here, hopefully. But anyway, that's really all I had for you guys today. I just wanted to talk about a few things. We can't really go outside right now. I did officially build my little half wall. I don't know if I've ever said that before. I think I did. I think one time I talked about building the half wall out back right next to where my smokers and stuff are because of the wind. I got that built. I think you might have seen that in the pork butt video that I got it done. I haven't painted it yet. I haven't finished it off. I just need to paint it. But like I said, it's been cold and rainy and snowy and all that. So soon as it warms up, we're going to paint that wall. We've talked about putting like a graphic on the wall, like my NewBQ graphic on it, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. I think I just want to paint it and just be done with it. But the wall's built, so that's cool. It was super easy. Got it done. Like I said, got these shelves and stuff done. There's a few more things I want to do back here. Most of it's just waiting on the snow and rain to go away. Just snow, rain, and cold. If it just gets out of here, things will be so much better. We can get back to springtime, get back to some real good grilling. I promise you guys it'll be better. But anyway, that's all I really wanted to say. Short video. I don't have a whole lot going on right now. This weekend's a super busy weekend for us. My youngest son has his Pinewood Derby, the second Pinewood Derby. He did really good in his first one, by the way. If you don't know, he got like 4th place in his Pinewood Derby. First ever Pinewood Derby. 4th place overall. So that was cool. We're going tomorrow, or today. Would it be today, tomorrow, whatever? Anyway, we're gonna do another one, and we'll see how he does then. Hopefully, he does pretty good. I'm pretty excited, pretty proud dad here. And then my other son, my oldest son, turns 10 years old tomorrow. 10 years old. So it's gonna be crazy. So we have his birthday coming up. So hopefully, I get a video made in between because I don't have anything for you guys on Wednesday night. Not really sure how we're gonna do that, to be honest with you. But anyway, we'll figure it out. Hopefully we'll get a good video up for you Wednesday. And so anyway, that's all I got for you. We'll see you guys later on the next episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Hopefully I get an episode made between now and then. Oh, and before I forget, go check out all my social media, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever, all Newbie Q 2020. That's what it is, Newbie Q 2020. Just go check it out, okay? TikTok, Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue. Go check it out. It's fun. It's fun. If you don't have TikTok, you should get a TikTok. I know people say, "Oh, it's bad," blah blah blah. Super entertaining. You know, you can sit on there and lose yourself for a couple hours. It's great. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Peace out. Love you.